Hi, it's the Rev Pipster here. We're just on a train journey from Martin's Heron to Bracknell. Viewers out there in America and Australia who watch my channel, just to show you what my town's like now before they knock it down and completely rebuild town centre in a couple of years' time. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. So in 5 minutes across the bridge, and we go across the platform to catch our train to go to Bracknell. It's not going quite yet because it's October and it's quite cold actually. We're now on our train to Reading. It's not an event, it's a Reading train, but we're on a train to Bracknell. Okay, and we're leaving Martin's Heron. So, goodbye to Tesco.
This train is called Bracknell.
Off we go.
Okay. Is Bracknell.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are at Bracknell train station. Just arrived from our train. We'll go through the crossing the bridge. And we say goodbye to the city train. Hey, yeah, my little son's here waving goodbye to the city train as well. I see a certain conductor I know. Well enough for his lunch break. Ooh, okay, here we
Daddy! Dad!
We come from the station, or through the bus station, which I haven't shown because it's really not interesting at all, and as though the rest of the town is interesting. And we are now walking into the town centre. There's a nice little grove of trees and stuff to get in and past Snooker Hall.
Daddy!
Yeah, Bracknell's a great place to commute from. Passing the memorial in the Catholic Church, St Joseph, the Bracknell town centre, and someone's getting married. Many congratulations to you. here in Bracknell. Father Chris up by the door. Saturday the 25th of October, and already they're starting putting the Christmas decorations up. Business materialism at its best. Okay. Bookshop's a good place there. Waterstones. This is my wife's favourite place. One of them. Dorothy place. See, we've really got that market. We've even got baskets here. Yeah, we got some nice millennium clock in the town centre here. All the money they spent on this, and they're gonna, I don't know, they're gonna break it up and redo something new when they put a roof over this place. Lovely. They just love Bracknell. Closest thing to garden we've got here. Yes. And here comes the train.
Now approaching platform 2 is the 1450 Southwest train.
Oh my goodness, we're on the wrong platform. Just kidding. Just kidding. But here we come. So, that's Bracknell for you. It's exciting. Paid £110 to get from Martin's Heron to here. It must be worth at least £5 to get back out again. Yes, and here is our train, the Reading to London Waterloo train.
Daddy!
And
Boom! Boom!
and coming along.
Approaching platform 1.
Daddy!
Yep.
1459.
That
Go! Go, Daddy, go!
Yes.
Go, Daddy, go!
Yes. See how eager my son is to get away from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on his train. Wait here.
No, stop me.
Okay.
Station is Martin
Oh, no, serious. It's not that bad, it's bad now. Far of where we live and someone's bombing it or something, and then we're extremely proud and patriotic. But Bracknell being much nicer when we do the town centre. Okay, so from my son and myself, and all my YouTube friends,
Daddy.
no girls, train we just caught in the distance. We're here at Marston's Heron. The Bracknell's not a bad place really. There are less interesting towns in England and less interesting towns just outside London. But it's a good place. The heart of the Silicon Valley of England, as it's called. And we have good access to London Waterloo from here. A big supermarket here, as you can see. Our next station from here is Ascot, and of course they have the famous Royal Ascot Racecourse. Other than that, that's it, to be honest. Not tremendously excited. It's only Bracknell after all. It's currently my home. And I live here. And God has opened up opportunities and things here. I've got a wife here. And we have a cheeky man. So, if you come to England, just send me an email. Go on the blog and say, we're passing through Bracknell, where's the best place for a coffee? And I'll let you know. Take care guys. And God bless. Over Desi.